guys, get yourself a drink because today we're going to be doing a little Temu haul. Not little, kind of big, but I'm going to show you all the goodies that I got from Temu. Also, if you're wondering what I'm drinking, I'm having a gingerbread latte, and I know it's not Christmas yet, but guys, we're so close to Christmas. I'm so excited. Got my bag here. It's starting to rip, so let's get through it all and see what we got. Guys, I don't really remember what I got. It was about a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago. But tell me why Temu shipping is super fast. Like, I think it comes from China, but the shipping's actually not bad. Like, I think I got this in like a week and a half, 2 weeks. I don't really remember what I bought, so let's go through it together. All right, I'm not pulling anything out in any particular order, but let's start off with the first thing, which is tweezers. I really needed tweezers, so I got these. They had really good reviews. I didn't choose my scissors. They had really good reviews, so I'm hoping they're good because I'm in need of really good tweezers. Guys, I can't speak. But oh my god, my nail popped off. What the hell, guys? My nail popped off. I didn't even realize. All right. I really needed tweezers, so this had really good reviews, and I don't know if they're good. I'll let you guys know in the comments the things that I recommend and the things I don't, as per usual. But got myself a pair of tweezers. I think they're like $2, to be honest. I don't know. This whole shipping order was around $110. I had a $30 off coupon code, so I used that, but it was roughly around $130, $140, and I got it for $110, something like that. The next thing I got is these little, I don't know what these are. I just saw them and I thought this would be really useful to use on my hair, especially when I tie my hair up. Guys, I have little baby hairs down here and I feel like I need to tuck them in. So I feel like this would be good to just like put it in your hair. I don't know, like that's what they are. They come in all these different shapes and sizes. So I'll probably do a tutorial on how I'm going to use these. Hopefully they're good. I don't know. You know me, when I go on Temu, I just buy all these random things because they're so cheap. The next thing I got is this massive beauty blender. This is big, guys. Like, this hasn't even been soaked in water. I cannot wait to put this in water. It's probably the size of my face. I don't know, but how cool is that? Right, the next thing is, I honestly don't know because you can't tell, but I think it's a nail polish. I bought a whole bunch of gel nail polishes because I have been doing my own nails recently at home. I've been doing those press-on gel X, whatever they're called, nails, and I got this gel polish and it's supposed to be like a pink cat eye. So that's what it looks like. Just a really nice pinky cat gel shade. Super excited. I actually bought quite a few gel polishes, so you're going to see a lot of those in here. I also should remind you guys that this haul is very random. So I got a bracelet. So this is a stainless steel bracelet. It's not supposed to fade. It's gold plated. So I'll see how it goes with the jewelry. I don't really buy much stainless steel jewelry. Most of the jewelry that I have is real gold, but I thought this bracelet was so pretty and it's actually really good quality. Like, looking at it, I don't know how well it will last. Guys, I can't speak. I don't know how well it would last, but for $1, that's not bad. It literally was $1. All right, next thing I got is this little keychain for my drink bottle, for my hydro jug. I know, how silly, but it's got a little S on there. So I'm just going to show you. And you literally just hook it onto your hydro jug. Kind of like on your drink bottle. I'm going to show you one sec. All right, guys, this is what it looks like. It's just a little keychain with a butterfly and the S on there. It was a silly purchase, I know, but I just thought it looks so cute. We've still got a ton to go through, so little coffee break. And it's getting really late, so I need to get through this before my daughter comes in the room. All right, I've got another one of these beauty blenders. I don't know if I bought two or if I bought one. I'm very confused, but there's two. Okay, I don't know. And I also got more beauty blenders. I don't know why I got these ones. I just thought the color was cute, and you never have enough beauty blenders, guys. I think this was like $2, so still a bargain. Amazing. All right, next thing I got is this little clear pouch. Guys, I thought this was going to be small because it said coin, but that's quite big, so a bit disappointed. And it's actually not that cute, but this was like $1. I guess it's good for the car to put my lip products in. I don't know, but it's okay. Next thing I got is this little, I don't know what you call this. It's like to open packages and stuff. I always use scissors, but it's just this little blade and you just cut your boxes and your packages up. I need this because I do make content and I get a lot of stuff, so handy dandy. I think I already mentioned that there's a lot of random stuff in here, so the next thing I got, I think this is another nail polish. Okay, no, this is the A-Press gel that I use. So it's basically the glue that I put on my nail to press on the gel. This is the brand that I love. It's a brand gel polish. So I honestly love this. This is what I use to stick on the nails. So I got an extra one of this. The next thing I got is this makeup caddy. I want to use it for my bathroom. Sorry about the sound. So much packaging, honestly, guys. I bought it for my bathroom to put my cleanser and all that stuff so it doesn't make a mess on my bathroom bench. But yep, nice and simple, and it's white, so perfect. The next thing I have is 2 pieces of curtains. I've already got the curtains on my window, but it's not enough. I wanted to fill it up really nice and pretty, so I've got a pack of this. When I'm finished adjusting it, I'll show you guys at the end. So the next thing I got is this little car mount thing. You hook it onto the back seat of the car and you can put your phone on there so you can watch movies or shows. This is pretty cheap. I think it was like $1 as well, but it's just handy to have in the car. As you're gonna see so much package and plastic behind me accumulating. Like, honestly, Temu literally loves packaging everything. The next thing I got is this little black makeup bag. It's got little love hearts on there. I bought this for inside the car so I can put all my essentials in there. Nice and cute. This was also cheap. I think it was around 80 cents, to be honest. All right, we have another gel polish. I think there's a few in here, but this one is a glittery one. It's gold. I don't really use these brands, but I thought I don't mind getting a glittery gold one just for like my ring finger and stuff. So another gel polish. Okay, this one I'm really excited for. It's kind of like a bowl that you can wash your makeup brushes in. And then once you're finished washing your makeup brushes in, you can flip it to the side and make them stand up so your brushes dry. How cool is that? Comes with this little handle as well. Super excited to try this. Next one I feel like is another gel polish. I have been buying a bunch, but it's supposed to be like a really nice nude color. So that's what it looks like. Super pretty. I'm actually really excited to try this one. I'm into my neutrals, so I think I'm gonna love this a lot. Okay, the next thing is a travel hairbrush. I think I got 2 of these, I'm not sure. But this is like a pink travel. Guys, that was so unnecessary. Like, it was literally in 2 packages. Like, anyway, I got this travel hairbrush. Guys, it's not opening. What the hell? I'm scared to open it, that it might break. How do you open this? Surely it's not that hard to open, right? All right, I can't open it past that, but I'm supposed to brush my hair with it, so. Okay, it's opened, there you go. It's a bit hard to open, but it's a little brush and a little comb. And the reason I got this was for traveling, but it's so hard to open and close, so the quality is not the best. I don't actually recommend this. I think I'll just keep it in my car. And as I figured, I bought 2 of these. I'm hoping this one opens up a bit better so I can take it with me, but this one's not bad, but it's really hard to open and close, guys. So I don't know if it's the plastic or what, but yeah, I got 2 of these. Guys, I'm really excited for this one. It is some hair clips. So when I do my makeup, my hair's not in my face. I lost all my other ones, but I got 4 of these, and these are just perfect for when you're doing your makeup and you don't want your hair to kink, because my hair always kinks, guys. And you just have your hair out of your face, like, and they're super cute too. The next thing I got is these little travel boxes. I'm just going to use these to store all my nail polishes and that sort of stuff in there so they don't leak. These are awesome to carry anything you need in there. Guys, that's one thing I love about Temu. They've got like really great organization stuff. The next thing I got is little Q-tips. I'm really not going to open this one. They're just really fine Q-tips for like your makeup, your nails, all that sort of jazz. We have a hairbrush now, and I think this hairbrush might be squished. So it looks like in the packaging, and it is. So this one came damaged. As you can see, it's like all bent and gone funny. So that's a bit disappointing, but I thought this might be good for my flyaways. I don't know, a bit disappointed. It's a bit damaged, but that's fine. I got a bunch of these triangle powder puffs. Guys, I have so many in the black, so I thought I'll get some in the pink. You can never have enough of these. I honestly love these so much, so I got a pack of 5. The next thing I'm opening up is this little eyelash tool. I've never used one of these before, but supposedly it's very good to comb through your eyelashes with. I don't know. I honestly have never used this, so excited to try this out and see if it's any good. And guys, this is what happens when you go on Temu 2 in the morning and you buy a whole bunch of stuff that you don't need, honestly. The next thing I got is a pack of nail stickers. These are really pretty. It's got butterflies on them, so it's good to do some nail art. I'm not really good at doing freehand nail art, so I thought stickers will be fun to jazz it up a bit. Guys, I'm so excited for this one. It is a pair of earrings. I bought a whole bunch of jewelry, earrings and bracelets that are stainless steel, and I'm actually super excited to try these earrings on. They are so freaking cute, and the quality looks insane. But that's the earrings. I think they'll look perfect on my ears, and the size is just perfect. So really excited about these earrings. The next item that I have is a stainless steel bracelet, also in gold. I just thought to get some bracelets and some earrings for like everyday wear, but it's just like a snake chain. So that's what it will look like on my hand. Very pretty, nice and simple. Guys, I literally don't know what's going on. There's another beauty blender in here. There's 3. There's no way I bought 3 beauty blenders. I'm sorry. Like, is this a joke? I need to check my account afterwards because I don't remember buying 3 of these, but I'm super excited for this one. It's supposed to be one of those phone grippy things. It's supposed to stick your phone to anything on any surface, basically. I don't know if it's going to work. I'm hoping it's going to work. If it does, I'll let you guys know, but yeah, it's pink. Another piece of jewelry. This one is a snake chain, but instead of the bracelet, it's a necklace. I guess it's kind of cute to wear as a set. I don't know, guys, what I was thinking, but who am I? Like, who am I? I think this will be cute with the bracelet. I don't know. It's really pretty though, like very nice and dainty. So I'm actually kind of excited to try these jewelries on. Guys, I'm looking at the bag and there's so much stuff in there that I'm still going to go through. I don't know if you guys are going to enjoy watching this video, but the next thing I got is a pair of scissors, and this one is for my eyebrows. And to be honest, this is really bad material. Like, quality, it's really bad. It's even dented, like the handles don't even line up. So very disappointed in this. Guys, I don't know what's wrong with this order, but tell me why there's another pair of tweezers in there. Either I've gone and I've put doubles of everything, triples, I don't know. But I've got another pair of tweezers and I swear I only bought 1. So I don't know what's going on. Very confused. I need to check my account after. Okay, let's move forward. Let's see what this one is. Okay, we've got another gel polish. I don't know what color this is. All right, this is another pretty purple color. Just a bunch of random gel colors that I bought. If you guys want a tutorial on how I do my nails and showing you like all the gel colors that I have, please let me know. I can definitely do one for you guys. We now have another pair of earrings. I think I bought 4 in total, I'm not sure, but I did buy quite a few pair of earrings just because you can never get enough, and they're super cute and they're so affordable as well. I think these were all like $2 each, and they're supposed to be stainless steel, so they're supposed to last a while. So that's really cute. I'm very excited to try these. I have got another bunch of nail stickers. This one has little gold detailing on it. I don't know if I like this now looking at it in person. Online it looked much cuter, but I guess it'll be nice for like 1 finger. The next thing I got is a pair of little scissors. They're just good to put on your keychain if you need scissors when you're out and about. Perfect for that. The next item is also another gel polish. I honestly don't know how many gel polishes I bought, to be honest. I feel like my order's all fucked up. I mean, I shouldn't swear, but my order's like very messy, and I don't remember buying some of these things. So I have absolutely no idea. I do remember buying this though. So this is the little magnets that you use for your cat gel, cat eye gel, whatever you call it. And there's a bunch of these. And the reason I got this was because there's a love heart one. So there's a love heart one in there, but there's a bunch of shapes and styles in there, and you just put your magnetic gel polish on and it gives you that effect. So I'm really excited to try this. Very, very excited to try this one. We have now got another packet of stickers for our nails. This one is white with a little bows all around it. This is really cute. I'm excited to try this one. And I also got little French stickers as well, so I can do French on my fingers and my toes. So that is that. The next thing I got is a chrome powder. Let's see if I can open this. The packaging is ridiculous, but it's just like a white pearlescent chrome powder. Really excited to try this, but tell me why this packaging looks like it's half empty. Like, quite sad. The next thing I got is a bunch of little earrings. They're just little studs with cubic zirconias on them. These are good for my little cartilage ear piercings, but they're really, really tiny. I don't know if you can tell, but I have a bunch of them on my ears and I just need them for backup whenever I lose one. The next thing I got is this little mascara wand and eyebrow wand. It just comes in this little packaging, super cute, and it's just good to have. Guys, I'm honestly laughing at all the stuff that I bought. I am so freaking silly. I don't know why I got this much stuff. The next thing I'm opening up is this little like spoolie applicator. It's for the chrome powder. You just rub it onto your nails. Was it necessary? I don't know. Did I need it? No. The thing I got is a mirror. I really needed one since my daughter lost my other one that I was using. So I got this little mirror. I thought it was super cute. It's got little eyelashes on there. And yeah, it's pink and it's a love heart. The next thing we have is this little bracelet. It's a fine dainty chain, but I just thought it was so cute to pair with my watch. So that's what it looks like. It's nice and dainty. This one is also a piece of jewelry. I think this one is a ring and I wanted to get it for my pinky finger. So let's see if this will fit my pinky, but it's a size 5. I've been really into pinky rings. And oh my God, if it's perfect, guys, look how cute that is. That's the ring there, but it's perfect. So size 5 for my pinky, fits me. The next thing I got is these really, really small, tiny hoops. I got them for the top of my ear here, and hopefully they're good quality. These are all supposed to be stainless steel and they're not supposed to tarnish. But like I said, I'll keep you guys updated in the comments if they last, but I'm not gonna open them up because I've honestly made such a big mess, but that's what they look like. Super tiny, super cute. Right, we have another piece of jewelry. I don't know what this one is. All right, so this one is also 2 rings for my pinkies. It came in 2, I think. So there's 2 different styles. So one is, oh guys, it's so hard to open. One is one of those twisty styles and one's just a plain band. I'm gonna stack them together. Oh, guys, that fits perfect. Like honestly, love these pinky rings. So cute. The next thing is also another piece of jewelry. Guys, I don't know how much earrings and bracelets I've bought, but we've got another pair of earrings. These are quite big. I think I like them. Nice and chunky. So also stainless steel in gold. Honestly, guys, I always wear gold jewelry, but that's what it looks like. Love it. The next thing I got was these little charms for my daughter's Crocs. I just thought they were really cute for her. So it comes in a bunch of little styles. So it's this one, and these little strawberries. Super duper cute, and there's like a whole bunch of them. The next thing is very, very random, but it's very useful when you are out and about, and it's a little container with tiny little toothpicks in there. I just feel like this is a must when you go out and you get something stuck in your teeth, but it's a little pack of toothpicks and you just carry them, and I got a bunch of those. The next thing I got is a bunch of these spray lotion type bottles. They're good for traveling and stuff, but once you open it up, this is what it looks like. You can use it to put all your products in there and like spray your face. It's also got the lotion style. I think these were like $1 each, but they're super handy dandy, so I bought 4 of these. And last but not least, I got these bag hooks for my car. They're made out of leather, but it's really good to strap onto your backseat of your car and you can hang your bag up. I just felt like I needed this because I was just chucking my bag everywhere. But that's about it for my Temu haul, guys. There's a whole bunch of other stuff that I really don't want to open. It's just random pieces for my car. But I've got so much stuff to go through. Throw away all this stupid plastic that's on my bed, and I'll show you guys the curtains at the end of this video. All right, guys, and this is what the curtains look like. This is 2 packs. I feel like they look perfect now. They were very cheap. I think they're around 20 bucks. But yeah, super obsessed with them. What do you guys think? All right, guys, I'm going to close up this video now. It's getting really late. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.